Correct. Okay. My name's Peter, and this is our introduction and our first lesson in palm reading. Here we have the lines in the hands. We will take the heart line, the head line, and the lifeline. Then we'll go forward onto the fate line, the sun line, and the health line. We'll also take in the other lines like the affection lines and the children lines within the hand. Then we'll take the thumb and the fingers, the different shapes of the fingers. We'll take the thumb, the different shapes of the thumb, and the width of it coming from the hand. It will give an indication to every part of the person. We'll take the fleshy parts within the hands. That's the fingers, different shapes of the tips of the fingers, and the fingers shapes with the knuckles prominent or with them smooth. We'll take these lines separately and we'll have the heart line, the head line, and the lifeline. These will be the things you would look at first within the hand. So we'll show the heart line. Take your friends, neighbours, or family and have a look at the hands and try and pull out the head line, the heart line, and the lifeline. The heart line will have a different shape. It will be curved or it can be straight. It will go towards the centre of the two fingers, the first and second finger. Sometimes it will go longer, sometimes shorter. Sometimes there will be lines going from it. There will always be the head line. So the head line will indicate the way of thinking. And we'll have the headline can be short, it can be curved, and it can come across the hand. Also, the lifeline and the headline can be joined to go across the hand. The lifeline curves out towards the centre of the hand and back towards the wrist. Sometimes it will be short, sometimes long. These are the three lines you should be looking at within the hands to first learn towards the reading of the hand. The heart line, when it's curved, shows the emotions. The emotions are strong. If it is straight, the heart line will indicate towards a control in one's emotions. The headline, when it's curved, it's a good use of the imagination. If it comes down too far, it will indicate as looking towards depression. The lifeline, when it comes into the centre of the hand, the further it comes away from the thumb towards the centre of the hand, will indicate the strength of what one puts into life. So it can come a way out or it can come close in. But the further it comes out, the stronger, and the closer it comes, the less. So sometimes these two lines, the headline and the lifeline, are joined together. This will indicate towards someone who's independent in their way of thinking, and if they're close, start off close together, that shows they're more held back. They're more close to home by the line being close to the lifeline. So these 3 lines, if you can look at those before the next lesson, we will go on deeper into the lifeline, the headline and the lifeline, and then we'll go on to the fate line, the 3 other lines, the fate line, the sun line and the health line. Thank you. See you next time.